Hey there, welcome back to another episode on the athomedive YouTube channel. I'm Joey, and today we're going to be making Southern Country Coleslaw. And we're going to be making it with pickle juice instead of vinegar, just because we always throw away our pickle juice and it's really good. And everybody loves pickles, so we're going to be substituting in to give it that tangy, pickly, wonderful nature that we're looking for. So we're going to take a look today on the counter. We have a really simple list of ingredients here that we're going to be using. So let's dive right in. So on the counter today we have the things that are going to make our dressing for the coleslaw and the things that are going to make up the body of the coleslaw itself. And what we have here is 1/3 cup of pickle juice, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2/3 cup of mayonnaise, and 1/2 teaspoon of celery salt. And we have 1 pound of green cabbage and about a 4-ounce carrot here that's peeled. And what we're going to do to get going is we're going to actually just pour the pickle juice, the sugar, and the celery salt into a pan over here and put it on low heat just to get the sugar dissolved. Now that we're going, we're just going to take and set the mayonnaise aside, and we're going to shred the cabbage down really finely. There we have it. Next we're going to shred the carrot and just take a basic box grater and shred it in. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and mix in the mayonnaise into the pickle juice and sugar. We're going to mix it in well. Alright, and now we're going to go ahead and add the dressing to the slaw itself. Alright, so now's the important part. We need to make sure we wait at least 2 hours to let everything get to know each other really well in there. And we're going to refrigerate it and come back and check on it later.